the officials of the province of Leyte and the city officials of Ormoc City, officials of the different state universities and colleges and other higher education institutions in the region, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to the Visayas Cluster Science and Technology Fair 2015 and the Food Innovation Center Forum, sponsored by the Department of Science and Technology, Eastern Visayas Food Innovation Center, and the Eastern Visayas State University. This year's theme is the Philippines, a science nation, innovating for global competitiveness. We all know that food is basic to life, and our global food system must innovate to sustain it. With a population of nearly 100 million people, the country will demand an increase in food supply, and therefore, innovations in food production are significant to eradicate hunger and improve human life. The Food Innovation Center has the tools and talent to improve access to abundant, safe, and health-promoting food. So today, the UST Food Innovation Center and the Eastern Visayas State University bring you technical experts who will speak on various processes and food innovation and development. To start our opening program, may I request everyone to stand for the invocation and the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, which will be led by the Eastern Visayas State University Ormoc City Campus Chorale.
Watches where we go and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer as we go away. Lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, to a place where we'll be safe. I pray we'll find your light and hold it in our heart. When stars go out each night, still to say, let this be your breath shadows fill our day. Need to find a place, guide us with your grace to a place where we'll be safe. Siamo un mondo senza più violenza, un mondo di giustizia e di speranza. Ognuno dia mano a vicino, simbolo di pace in fraternità. La porta che si dà. We ask that life be kind. Desiderio and watch us from above. Ognuno trovi amore. We hope it's all we'll find. Dentro another soul to love. Let this be our prayer. Let this be our prayer. Just like every child. Just like every child. Need to find a place. Guide us with your grace to a place where we'll be safe. Nella offerta esse soglio. Santo che ci Sige, sige.
Thank you very much, EVSU, Ormo Campus Corral. And at this point, would like to acknowledge the presence of the very important people who are gracing this very important occasion. So we start off with, of course, the Honorable Mayor of Javier Leyte. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of Honorable Leonardo Javier. Then, of course, the host of this particular affair, the Department of Science and Technology, with us this morning is the ARD. The Assistant Regional Director of Region 7, Director Jesus Zamora. Sir, good morning. And the DOST Region 8, headed this morning by ARD Ernesto Granada. Then we have, of course, the President of Eastern Visayas State University and other officials. Ladies and gentlemen, the University President, Dr. Dominador O. Aguirre Jr. We also have here the Vice Presidents and the Deans and Campus Directors of the Eastern Visayas State University. We have the Provincial S&T Director of the Province of Leyte, Engineer John Glenn Ocaña. We also have here representatives of the Visayas State University, faculty and students of Visayas State University. Also present today are faculty of the Naval State University. Also, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the faculty and students of the University of Eastern Philippines. Also here with us this morning are the faculty of the Northwest Samar State University. And although not in the list, but we have seen the boss of the Leyte Normal University. So anyone from Leyte Normal University? Okay, we have here students from Leyte Normal University. We also have the small, medium enterprise exhibitors all over regions 6, 7, and 8. Please stand to be recognized. We have the Board of Directors and Officers of Ormoc Chamber of Commerce and Industry. And then the rest will be acknowledged as they come in this activity this morning. So to start our opening program, officially would like to hear the opening remarks of the host agency, the Department of Science and Technology. Ladies and gentlemen, the Assistant Regional Director, Engineer Ernesto M. Granada, to give the opening remarks.
Thank you, Professor Morante. The Honorable Mayor Javier Leyte, Mayor Leonardo Javier Jr., who is also the President of the National Mayors League, and also the 2015 Region 8 and National Packaging Awardee of the Department of Science and Technology. Dr. Dominador O. Aguirre Jr., the President of the Eastern Visayas State University, Dr. Segunda Lacaba, Vice President of Eastern Visayas State University, Dr. Lilian Istorninos, the Vice President of Eastern Visayas State University, Deans of colleges, professors, students of that academic institutions, Dr. Rolando V. Mosca, the campus director, administrator, of the Ormoc Eastern Visayas State University here in Ormoc City, Dr. Aristotle Carandang, the Chief of the Communication Resources Division of the Science and Technology Information Institute of the Department of Science and Technology, Engineer Jess Zamora, Assistant Regional Director of DSD7, and his colleagues of DSD7, representatives of another host region, DSD Region 6, who are here, students, faculties, and administrators, heads of from the different state colleges and universities in Region 8, our Assistant Regional Director here in DST Region 8, Mr. Rufeno Mingote, our Provincial S&T Director for the Province of Leyte, Engineer John Glenn Ocaña, Ms. Mayen Radam, our FIC Coordinator for Region 8, Dr. Hilaria Bustamante, the EVFIC Center Director, Provincial Science and Technology Director, Jonathan Nuestro of DST Region 2, the President of the Ormoc Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Ray Evangelista, who is there, and his colleagues at the Ormoc City Chamber of Commerce and Industry, my colleagues in the government service, good morning. Regional Director Edgardo Esperancilla cannot join us this morning because he has to meet our Honorable DOST Secretary Mario G. Montejo, who is scheduled to arrive this morning from Cebu City. The Honorable Secretary will be accompanied by the Regional Director of DOST Region 7, Regional Director Paradela, and some officials of the DOST 7. As of tonight, the Honorable Secretary's entry point was not yet determined, considering that he was still observing the weather. Kung ang weather ay gumanda, he will be entering the port of Ormoc. Otherwise, he will be entering the airport of Tacloban, through the airport of Tacloban. So on his behalf, and on behalf also of the regional directors of Region 7, Regional Director Paradila, and Regional Director Rowan Hilonga, also Region 6, I would like to welcome you all to this Food Innovation Center Forum. And also, I would like also to welcome you to this first day of the 2015 Visayas Cluster Science and Technology Fair with the theme Philippines, a Science Nation, Innovating for Global Competitiveness. Perhaps many of us will ask, what is this Food Innovation Center and what are the services they are being offered? This will be discussed in details by our resource person, but may I give you a small background of this Food Innovation Center. Itong Food Innovation Center came about because there were some DOST or several DOST officials who were requested, particularly, or most of them coming from the regions, who were requested by Secretary Montejo to conduct a benchmarking both in Taiwan and in Thailand. And in that, the result of that benchmarking, they found out that in one day or in 1 month, there are many products developed by that country. Thus, the concept of bringing the Food Innovation Center here in the Philippines, considering foremost that the products in Taiwan and in Thailand is the same almost here in the Philippines. Jess Zamora, ARD Jess Zamora was one of those DOST officials who happened to conduct that benchmarking. The Food Innovation Center is an innovation hub and technical support, is a hub of innovation and technical support services for the processed food industry. The Food Innovation Center features a processing and packaging equipment, research and testing laboratory, and technology information system. The facility also provides training, consultancy, packaging, and labeling services. All the rest will be discussed in details by our resource person coming from the EBSU, Eastern Visayas State University. In 2013, this food innovation project with the submission and the availability of proposals. And in the following year, in 2014, there were 3 regions that were established and provided with the Food Innovation Center equipment. First region to be established was Region 11, then followed by Region 2, and followed by Region 8. So we are thankful and in gratitude with the Eastern Visayas State University for hosting the Food Innovation Center of Region 8 through the efforts of its president, Dr. Aguirre. Considering, in accordance with the theme, Philippines, a Science Nation, Innovating for Global Competitiveness, this activity was put as one of the first activities to be conducted in the 3-day 2015 Visayas Cluster Science and Technology Fair. Thus, this conduct of activities simultaneously with the conduct of the S&T Career Forum, which is now being conducted at the Ormoc City Multipurpose Hall. The Visayas Cluster Science and Technology Fair also features the exhibits which we have at the back. These exhibits depicts the DOST 8 outcomes, which is the thrust of the DOST up to 2015. And there is also a simultaneous activity to be conducted, which is the Science Nation Tour, which is a roadshow, which is a science and technology roadshow being conducted in the country. If I am not mistaken, the Science Nation Tour or the Science Media Tour, this will be the 7th or the 8th. We are now on the 7th or the 8th leg of the Science Nation Tour. So, it is our hope that through this activity, more of the small and medium enterprises in the food processing sector, particularly here in Region 8, will avail the services being offered by the Food Innovation Center at the Eastern Visayas State University with a mission of developing new products and making products of Eastern Visayas more particularly globally competitive. With this, again, I would like to welcome you all to this Food Innovation Center Forum. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ARD Granada. To give us the overview of the Food Innovation Center is Dr. Hilaria L. Bustamante, the EVFIC Center Director based at Eastern Visayas State University. Dr. Bustamante, please.
Honorable Leonardo M. Javier Jr., Mayor Javier Leyte, Director Jesus Zamora of Region 8, DOST, the Director of Region 8, the Director Esperancilia, and the family, DOST family, President Dominador O. Aguirre Jr., and EBSO family, other issues, other government agencies, SMS, guests, students, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is my honor to present to you the Eastern Visayas Food Innovation Center. The EVFIC is a part of the project strengthening the S&T services for micro, small, and medium enterprise in the Eastern Visayas. It was established through a memorandum of agreement by the Department of Science and Technology and Eastern Visayas University, signed last December 20, 2013. The EVFIC is hosted by EBSU, located at Ninoy Aquino Avenue, Tacloban City. It aims to catalyze development of the food processing industry in Eastern Visayas by providing a hub for innovations, research and development, support services, and processing facilities compliant with good manufacturing, production, and food safety requirements. Initially, the EVFIC has 3 locally made processing equipment, namely water retort, vacuum fryer, and spray dryer. The EVFIC is envisioned as facility in developing innovative products from local produce of Eastern Visayas, hence improving the food industry employment and market status of the region. These are the services offered: product and process system optimization, research and development, information resource center, technology training and lectures, consultancy, packaging and labeling, and short-run production. highlights of calendar year 2014 of the EVFIC. Firstly, the construction of the EVFIC building, the acquisition of 3 equipment, water retort, vacuum fryer, and spray dryer, all of those from DUST, all of which were properly deployed, installed, and tested. Of course, acquisition also of auxiliary equipment. As you can see in the picture, those are the initial tools and materials that were provided by ITDI DUST. Designation of technical management and support teams between EBSU and DUST. This was the product during the strategic planning held at Sabin, Ormoc City. The EVFIC management composed of Dr. Dominador O. Aguirre Jr., the President, EBSU, Engineer Edgardo M. Sperancilla, Regional Director, DOST, Regional Office Number 8, yours truly, Hilaria L. Bustamante, the EVFIC Director, of course, ENP Jerry Vidicades, EVFIC Project Coordinator, and Ms. Janet A. Eder, the EVFIC Project Manager. The following are the highlights of EVFIC. There are programs, projects, and activities that were undertaken. As of September 2015, a total of 18 government agencies, research organizations, local product producers, other interested institutions are facilitated for plant tour. Like Department of Trade and Industry, Nabal Biliran, Local Government of Ilongos, Leyte, Philippine Cooperative Central Fund Federation, Cebu City, the NASUMA or Nabal or Naval Summon Makers Association, Naval Biliran, Japan International Cooperation Agency, Philippines, HRTM students and faculty of Cebu Technological University, Carmen, Cebu City, the EL Enterprises Incorporated, these are the pineapple growers of Ormoc City, the Mangan Aim High Foundation, care of Dale Bandalan, and a private ESMS, Susan Talavera of Capas Tarlac, Chidoro Orhel of EBSU Tacloban, EBSU Engineering Department for their products during the launching of the 50th anniversary of the College of Engineering through Dr. Danilo Polma. Sandro Alnalo, Foundation of Sustainable Society, Jujis Canuela, Philippine Christian Foundation, Marco Baca, Conic Food Delicacies, Tanawan, Leyte, Floyd Salazar of Tacloban City, Evangeline Alcover, BSD Food, Alang-Alang, Leyte, Food Research and Development of EBSU students, Technology Lecturers of EBSU BIT students. Technical assistance were also provided to the following clients. Vacuum frying process for Mrs. Talavera of Tarlac City. There were 6 products. Vacuum frying and spray drying for JICA Philippines. Vacuum frying for EAL, the Ormoc growers, for the vacuum fried Queen Pineapple. And I would like to tell you that the Queen Pineapple variety is the best variety for vacuum fried pineapple. And this is according to the Department of Science and Technology. Engineer Orhel, of course, the process of College of Engineering. Assisted at MES, the NASUMA, the JICA, the personnel development and training of the staff of the EVFIC to enhance their competences, namely training and operations and maintenance of DOST its equipment. That was May 4 to 15, 2015. The competence development of DOST FIC training, and then the awareness seminar of packaging and label designs. So it jived to the services of the center. Of course, the products of the EVFIC. Since January 2015, there are a total of 39 products have been processed, and all of this, it's at the ABFIC booth for your perusal after the program. So we have Barinday Tahong, the tahong, the mango, the mango that we chose was the, I forgot the name. Then the jackfruit, the pineapple, papaya, squash, oyster, coconut milk, the GMP, then the lato, the bango scallops, the oregano, and some more. Of course, I am proud to share to you that the ABFIC attended or participated exhibits. First was the Salon International del Agroalimentaire ASEAN Manila 2015. This was held at Food Trade Center, Manila. It was participated with the products. So the following are the products showcased during the CL. Then the National Science Science and Technology 2015. Of course, with no less than the President who were there, presented the ABFIC. The products were also featured during the TV program Umagang Kay Ganda, August 29, 2015, ABS-CBN. Then, just 2 weeks ago, Fisher requested for sample products. And the 4 products we sent to Fisher were vacuum fried mango, papaya, jackfruit, and barangay. The vacuum fried barangay was chosen by the Mamacita. Mamacita company is an exporter company that as of this moment, they would like to order 20 kilos of vacuum fried barangay. And finally, this is the structure of the ABFIC. The contact person, Dr. Dominador Aguirre Jr., the university president, the rector Esperancilla, DOST Regionate, yours truly, and Professor Jerry Dicades. As you will understand more about ABFIC, may I present to you the AVP of the center.
The Eastern Visayas Food Innovation Center, or EVFIC, is a strategic mechanism to catapult the region's micro, small, and medium food processing enterprises into the global market. Initiated by the dynamic partnership of the Department of Science and Technology, Regional Office Number 8, and the Eastern Visayas State University, the EVFIC started operation in January 2015 at the EVSU's main campus in Tacloban City, the capital city and center of major economic activities of the region. The EVFIC brings to the fore the collaboration among the technology developers, such as DOST Research and Development Institutes and regional RDIs, state colleges and universities, and higher education institutions. The scientific and technological services providers, like the DOST Regional Office, its regional standards and testing laboratory, packaging and labeling centers, food development centers, the private sector, and other support institutions such as local government units, funding institutions, and other national government agencies. Together, forming strategic networks to assure availability of the required resources, needed expertise, and enabling environment to enhance the innovative capacities of a local food MSMEs for global competitiveness and sustained economic growth, guided by the vision of transforming concepts into products and demonstrating that local innovations work. The Eastern Visayas Food Innovation Center offers an array of critical S&T services and facilities to food MSMEs in the 6 provinces of Leyte and Samar. These include technology trainings, technical consultancies and advisories, information resources and technology, food and market standards, packaging and labeling design, food product and raw material evaluation, and technology hub for process and product development using third-party designed and fabricated equipment, which includes vacuum fryer for deep frying under vacuum pressure of fruits, vegetables, root crops, and diverse agri-aqua raw materials to produce food products of low oil content, good texture, original color, and flavor characteristics. Water retort for high temperature sterilization of food products packed in retort pouches, bottles, and cans. Local delicacies like binagor, muron, suman, and several fishery products can be retorted to extend shelf life to an average of 2 years. Spray dryer produces powder from liquid by rapid drying with hot gas, such as powder forms of milk, coffee, tea, fruit beverages, cereals, spices, and flavorings. Freeze dryer for dehydration of thermosensitive materials, permitting rapid and nearly complete rehydration and minimizing degradative reactions. Vacuum packaging machine used for the removal of gas or air inside the package to substantially retard chemical or microbial deterioration of food. The Eastern Visayas Food Innovation Center, manned by trained and skilled food processing technologists and equipment operators, is committed to its goals to enable product innovations and diversification to maximize value addition to diverse agricultural and fishery resources of Leyte and Samar. Upgrade manufacturing operations and processing systems through application of new technologies to improve traditional knowledge, enhance efficiency, and increase competitiveness of food products from Eastern Visayas, and standardize local processing technologies to establish quality standards for indigenous foods and comply with food safety regulations. The Eastern Visayas Food Innovation Center, enabling local food processing enterprises toward global competitiveness by bringing innovations within grasp of MSMEs in Region 8.
In behalf of President Dr. Dominador O. Aguirre Jr. and Director Edgardo M. Sperancilla, we would like to invite you to the launching of the AVFIC at Tacloban City, 2 p.m. on Saturday, with no less than Honorable Mario G. Montejo, the Secretary of the Department of Science and Technology, as guest of honor. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you and good morning.
Thank you very much, Dr. Bustamante, for the very comprehensive presentation of the FIC. Okay, before we bring you the forum itself, we would like to entertain you with a surprise number.